You guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Kroger. It is a busy Saturday at Kroger. So this video is going to be very quick, but I want to give a special shout out to the person who emailed me this deal this afternoon, because when I saw it, I was like, I am definitely stopping by Kroger today, because y'all know I cannot turn down some free detergent. So as y'all can see, I have already loaded my cart up, you guys. We are loaded up with our free detergent today, and I cannot wait to tell you about this deal. What we're going to be doing is this one right here. These detergents are buy one get one free, so this will scan 50% off here in the state of Georgia. So buy one get one free actually means that they're going to ring out for $5.25 a piece. Now in your state that may mean something different, so you just have to go by what your state does. But here these are going to be $5.25 a piece, and we're going to be getting the 100-ounce bottles of Arm & Hammer. So you can get these bottles right here that are 77 load. These are 105 ounces. These are included. Or you can get the bigger bottles that I have as well. These right here are 105 ounces and are 105 loads. You can get the sensitive or you can get the regular. So with these ringing out for half price, I do not have to pick them up in even numbers. So I'm going to be picking up a total of 5. That should total me up to $26.25 for all 5 bottles. On Ibotta, we have $4 back on each one. So just with Ibotta alone, you guys, at $5.25 minus a $4 in cash back, these are only $1.25 for these huge bottles. That is absolutely amazing. But if you watch my Target video, you know we also have money back on Fetch Rewards. So we're gonna scan this receipt over to Fetch. And with the Fetch money that we should get back, I think these are gonna be pretty close to free. So let's go check out and see how this deal works. This deal worked out beautifully. At the register, I paid out $26.20 for 5. I got back $20.10 from Ibotta, and then I also submitted over to Fetch. Now on Fetch Rewards, I had an 80-cent bonus that did go through for scanning any receipt, but I had to correct my receipt because these did not pick up at all. So you definitely will probably have to correct your receipt in order for these to pick up. So I'm still waiting for the correction to come through, but when that does, that'll be another $3.80. And that will make my final cost for each one of these bottles of detergent just 30 cents, you guys. Or as Matt would say, that is super free. That's close enough to free that we can dance on 30 cents. And even without that little 80-cent bonus, these would only be 48 cents a bottle, which is absolutely phenomenal. Y'all, this is going to be a pretty quick video. That is it for today's video. Just picking up our super free detergent. Yes, y'all, can't get any better than that. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow.